This is a great running SAVE that has a high auto-check score and it gets great gas mileage. This is a perfect light-duty work truck and it has been very well maintained. It has exceptionally low miles, CD, chrome wheels, rear slider, BEDLINER, 4 doors, and we even have the original looks with this great truck. Why buy new when you can drive this SAVE home with you and keep lots of in your pockets? Free auto-check vehicle history report by EXPERIAN available. Buy with confidence. You must ask for Kevin in the Internet department to receive the special Internet price. Call Kevin today to arrange your test drive. 1-435-705-9053. You will be glad you did.